where a minor contracts a child marriage, any person having charge of the minor, whether as parent or guardian or in any other capacity, lawful or unlawful, who does any act to promote the marriage or permits it to be solemnized or negligently fails to prevent it from being solemnized shall be punishable with simple imprisonment, which may extend to 6 months and fine of 50,000 rupees, provided that no woman shall be punishable with imprisonment. First, for the purposes of this section, it shall be presumed unless and until the contrary is proved that where a minor has contracted a child marriage, the person having charge of such minor has negligently failed to prevent the marriage from being solemnized. First up, notwithstanding anything contained in section 25 of the General Clauses Act 1897 or section 64 of the Pakistan Penal Code, a court sentencing an offender under section 3 shall not be competent to direct that in default of payment of the fine imposed he shall undergo any term of imprisonment, notwithstanding anything contained in section 190 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1898. No court other than that of a magistrate of the first class shall take cognizance of or try any offence under this act. First up, a family court shall not take cognizance of any offence under this act except on a complaint made by the Union Council. First up, a family court exercising the powers of a judicial magistrate of the first class shall conduct the trial of an offence under this act in accordance with the provisions of Family Court Act 1964. First up, the court taking cognizance of an offence under this act shall, unless it dismisses the complaint under section 203 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1898, either itself make an inquiry under section of that code or direct a magistrate of the first class subordinate to it to make such inquiry. First up, notwithstanding anything to the contrary contained in this act, the court may, if satisfied from information laid before it through a complaint or otherwise, that a child marriage in contravention of this act has been arranged